Aaron's double team jerseys of Kevin Mchale and the Birdman. The list is in here with Chase on the top and Kane on the bottom. So we've got those two. We're going to run dice roller, list randomizer, and the local time currently is 6:28. All right, so challenge is live. All right, so I'm grabbing the list. So again, copy that list. Chase on the top, Kane on the bottom. Chase on the top, Kane on the bottom. I'm going to roll 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 10 times. Current time is 6:29. Good luck to everyone playing. Let's go 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the 9th time we've got Harry on the top, Kyle on the bottom. Okay, so we're rolling 10 times. We've done 9 times. We are going 10 times. So one roll again, and we've got Daryl on top. Congratulations in the 9 spot. Okay, I've accidentally taken down the Facebook screen, but I'll just put that back up. The current local time is 6:30. So we've got that on there. The challenge is complete. Okay, I will just make sure we finish that off. Back into here. Sorry about that, guys. Challenge is complete. All done. Beautiful. Congratulations again. We rolled 10 times. The list was randomised 10 times, and we rolled 10. Thank you.